In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or recover your QuickBooks Online admin password. Hi everyone! If you've been locked out or simply can't remember your admin password, don't worry. This walkthrough will get you back into your account quickly and securely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. This is the official login page where you normally access your account. In the email field, enter the email address that's associated with your QuickBooks Online admin user, then click Continue. Make sure you type the address exactly as it appears on your account, since even a small typo can prevent QuickBooks from finding you. On the next screen, look just below the password field and click the Forgot Password link. This takes you to the recovery options so you can prove it's really you. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to verify your identity. You can have a code sent as a text message to your registered phone number, or you can receive the code by email to the address on file. Pick whichever method you can access right now. If you choose text, ensure your phone has signal and can receive SMS messages. If you choose email, keep an eye on your inbox and your spam or junk folder in case the message is filtered. Follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve the verification code and enter it exactly as shown. These codes are time-sensitive, so it's best to enter it promptly. For security, never share this code with anyone. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password and confirm it. Choose a strong, unique password you don't use anywhere else. Consider a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid common words or easily guessed details. If QuickBooks displays any password requirements, make sure you meet them before moving on. Using a password manager is a great way to store it safely. Click Continue to save your new password. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. Now return to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page and log in using your email and the new password you just set. If you have multiple QuickBooks companies tied to the same login, this password will work across them. That's it. You're back in control of your QuickBooks Online admin account. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.